Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I came back with Xiaomi's brand new HyperOS 2.0, some global themes for Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco phone. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to apply these themes, and most of the themes you will not get in the theme store. So don't worry about, I will show you how you guys can find out these themes on your phone. So let's start the video. First of all, if I go to the theme store and I will show you, this is my theme customization. You can try this customization. So this is my first theme, and this theme is name is flat. And if I just apply this theme, after applying the theme, if I show you, and you can see this theme is fully customized, and this icons pack is also iOS type. And if I go to the lock screen, I can see this ROM has also the lock screen customization. You can easily change the lock screen customization, and the control center is as usual, but the other thing is perfectly working. Those who loves the iOS type themes, you can definitely try these themes. So this is the another iOS based theme, and this icon pack is also really cool and refined. If I apply this theme, got it, and if I just apply this theme, and after that if I go to the my home screen, I can see this theme is also a brand new iOS type icons pack, and you will get the new control center, and the widget is also pretty fine and perfectly working. If I go to the lock screen, I can see you can adjust the lock screen and apply the depth effect wallpaper, and you can easily apply your own wallpaper as you want. So this theme has also lots of customization in lock screen, so you can definitely try out these themes. And this themes icon is really cool and refined, so you can definitely try out these themes. So now I am talk about those who loves on UI themes. You can definitely try out this theme. If I just apply this theme and just click on apply, I can see this theme is also really great, and the icon and all the things is perfectly working. If I just apply, and I can see this theme is also as like on UI 7.0, and you can see the lock screen and widgets is also perfectly working. You can see the on UI type widgets, and the battery icon and all the things is perfectly working, and the icon pack is as like the on UI. So this very great. And if I go to the lock screen, I can see you can customize the lock screen as you want, as like the brand new on UI 7, and you will get the now bar in the lock screen. So you can definitely try out these themes. And this is my another theme. Those who loves liquid glass design and want to more customization, you can definitely try out these themes. This themes icon is transparent, and the notification panel is as usual. But if I go to the lock screen, I can see this themes lock screen as the brand new type, and the lock screen animation was really cool and refined. And you can just click here, and you can change the snowfall and the circle. You can easily change anything as you want, so you can definitely try out this theme. And this theme widget is very cool and refined. You can customize with another theme, and most importantly, those who guys want to transparent icon, you can definitely try out these themes. And this theme icon pack is really cool. I can see the coolness, so you can definitely try out these themes. Another iOS based theme. Here you can see this themes lock screen is really cool and refined. The icon pack is also great. If I just apply, and I can see this ROM's icon pack is really good, and you will get the iOS type widgets in there, and the notification panel as usual. But you will get the most importantly, this theme widget is really good, and the icon pack is just brand new iOS type. So you can definitely try out these themes, and this theme's lock screen customization is really good, so you can definitely try out this theme. So this is my another theme. I can see this themes is also icon pack is really good. And if I just apply this theme, I can see this theme icon pack is really cool, and I can see the notification panel is really great. I can see the notification panel is like the brand new iOS type liquid glass design, so you can definitely try out these themes. So you can definitely try out this theme. This theme is really good, and control center is really great, so you can definitely try out this theme. My another theme, if I just apply this theme, I can see this theme lock screen is really good and customizable, and I can see this ROM's icon pack is really good. Those who loves the dark icons, you can definitely try out these themes. And this notification panel is also really great, and those who love iOS and dark icon pack, so you can definitely try out this theme. So this is my another theme. I can see this theme location customization is really good, and the icon pack was also really cool and refined. If you just apply this theme, I can see this theme's icon pack is the brand new, and the widget is also really great, and the notification panel was also the as usual. But you will get the latest icon pack, and the customization is really great, so you can definitely try out these themes. So I can see guys, this is my another theme. This theme is also great. If I apply this theme, and I can see the icon pack is also transparent, and the notification and the widgets is also great. I can see the widgets pack is really cool and refined. I can see the notification panel was also the brand new. So these themes has a problem with the transparency, but those who love the transparent icon pack, you can definitely try out this theme. And now I'm talking about the most demandable and the very cool and very attractive themes. If I just apply this theme, and you can see this themes is also the brand new iOS type notification panel. If I can see this themes icon and the notification panel as like brand new iOS, so you can definitely try out this theme. This theme icon pack is also good, and if you go to the lock screen, you can customize the lock screen as you want. So you can definitely try out this theme. Those who love the iOS type notification panel, definitely you guys can try out these themes. And this theme has also the apps opening coaching animation, so you can definitely try out these themes. So now I'm talking about how you guys find these themes on your theme store, because most of the themes is not available on the theme store. So how to find out this theme? Just copy the theme names from there. Again, example, I copy the kitty UI theme name. Okay, so I go to the my Chrome browser. I am using Chrome browser. You can definitely try another browser. So now you just search kitty UI v4 MIUI theme. Just search this, and you can see this themes is came appear, and just click on the first website and just scroll down. After that, you will get the official. You can see download kitty UI. You can see the official theme store link. Just click on the official theme store link, and you will go to the theme store, and you can download from there. If and this way you can easily find out any themes. If the theme is not available on the theme store, then you can follow my step and hope you will get the theme. And this way you can easily find out any theme. If you do not get the theme in the theme store, then you can definitely try out and follow the steps. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys don't understand something, message me on Telegram. And this is most importantly, this theme is a global theme. So you can definitely, if you have a global ROM, you can definitely try out these themes on your Indian ROM, Indonesian, on the global ROM. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching this video.